So let's factor this equation. So first thing to do is to find the greatest common factor. So find, let's call it GCF, greatest common factor for 60, 55, and 180. That would be 5. So let's have a 5 at the front. And now we can find numbers that can multiply to make 60x squared and such. So 5 times 12 and multiply by x squared would give 60x squared minus 11, 5 times 11, 55x, and minus 36, 5 times negative 36 equals 180. So we're just gonna look at this part of the equation, the factor. So we basically have 12x squared minus 11x minus 36. So what you do is you multiply this coefficient in front by this coefficient here. So that would make negative 432. And now what you do is you look for numbers. You look for two numbers that multiply each other to make negative 432, but also adds up to negative 11. And if you use your calculator or keep dividing, you'll find out that if you divide by 16, you'll get negative 27. And of course, if you do negative 27 plus 16, you'll get negative 11. And that's exactly the two numbers that we want. You can factor out x, two x's. Here we go. And then we have negative 27 and now we'll divide these numbers by 12 because we can't leave this 12 away. And if you put it into simple form, you divide both sides by 3 here, and you'll have x minus 9 over 4 multiplied by x plus, divide both sides by 4 over 3. Then you simply just have to put the denominator in front of the x's. Then you'll have 4x minus 9, and then 3x plus 4. And then we have this 5 right here, so then you'll just have to pull it at the front. Let me just move this back a little bit. The 5 at the front, and that's the final answer.